I think it's a great platform. We've heard it. We've heard about Kalinga Mahotsav, but we've never got the chance to perform. So this is the first time that I'm performing out here. So I hope people will enjoy our dance and we'll be able to perform very well. Like, we were looking forward that we've not been invited from Kalinga Mahotsav to perform. So since they've invited us, we are very happy. जी of course कभी नहीं होता है कि we don't miss Guruji, because Guruji is very much there, and whenever it's a choreo, whenever we'd go and dance in a big program, like from very young it was my habit that before each program Guruji used to, whether it was a group performance or whether it was my solo performance, Guruji used to have an overall look, or basically I used to tell Guruji what to do, and then Guruji used to tell me okay Donna, do this, or ye karo, ye stage mein acha lagega. So that part I miss, but just because I have learned from him for many years and he's been telling me, so now the fact that he's not there, I know what I should be doing, like according what he would have told me if I would have danced in a big stage. I remember that and I try and do my work according to that. But of course, he was a great genius, and maybe he would have come up with better ideas which we are missing now. That is another thing. बहुत सारे गुरु नहीं दिखाई दे रहे. क्या होता है कि सब डांस सीखते हैं, like Guruji's taught me and I've learned for say about few years, like about 20 years or 25 years, more than that, like I really haven't calculated, and then I'm going on dancing that even after Guruji is not there. Like Guruji is not there almost for 10 years now, so we've kept his gharana. So Guruji is really Guruji, but what happens is you also have to spread dance. If you don't spread dance, then it will be very limited, So definitely when I teach a student for about 10 years, 15 years, I would also, and the student goes off to America or London or anywhere, like it doesn't have to be abroad, like kidhar bhi, say Lucknow, or jidhar bhi jaye, like I feel, what will she do? She'll practice herself, and if she has the spare time, she can teach at least few students out there. If she teaches few students out there, what happens is ODC is known to 10 more people. So that's a great way of spreading ODC, I think. But students should also be serious and learn more and come back and learn more and educate themselves before they teach. Of course, you should have a good experience before you teach, but you should also spread, like once you have the knowledge and once you've trained yourself for 25, 30, 40 years, it should not be only Guruji, then it will get limited. Then Guruji, the students who's Guruji taught, they'll only be there, and after that it will be a dry. So you also have to teach people, and new people have to come up, and then that's how ODC will spread. So you need to spread ODC because it's a lovely form of Indian classical dance. So if you don't spread it, if you don't do such festivals, how will people come to know? That is also very important. जो डांस से कैन मेक अ कैरियर आउट ऑफ इट, व्हाई नॉट. लेकिन जो नहीं कर सकते, देखिए सब तो माधुरी मुद्गल, सोनाल मानसिंह, अरुणा मानती नहीं हो सकता है. तो जो हो सकता है उसे डेफिनेटली एज अ प्रोफेशन लेना चाहिए, लेकिन जो नहीं हो सकते है उसे ऑफ कोर्स दे शुड take it as a hobby and keep on watching cultural programs, keep on dancing in different groups, and try and do something for Indian culture, because our culture is very rich and very beautiful. I think it's a great channel और ये cultural program cover कर रहे, तो that is very good, and it's thank you so much for spreading ODC culture.